Hi everyone! Holidays installation here at PRS. Right now we're installing carbon roof spoiler on this Toyota HILUX. And for releasing this straight from dealership, HILUX GRS, the modes we have installed here: 2 sets, horn, PIAA base horn and sports horn, and where's the key? High-powered LED FOGLAMP. And TOPFLIP. TOPFLIP Junior. TOPFLIP Junior is only trifold. And before we install this one, we installed the 3-piece rail guard with PROLIFT, tailgate assist, and T-step for easy access. Let's go to the other side. With our handsome, valued client here. Say hi mga bossing!
Hi everyone.
Suburban for strobe light installation. Also, we installed HIPPOTECH matting for safety. We install the top of the line Dashcam VANTRUE. This is the Element 3-channel Dashcam, complete with OBD harness kit and remote control. Lastly, for the wheels, the client wants to retain the stock tires. He only wants, as for now, to upgrade the rims. So he chooses the TE37 XT SL. This comes with a sticker on it. As of now, the client wants no sticker installed. He just installed in the future. This is located here on the spoke. See the stance on the unit. Also, we have GMC Denali and Porsche Cayenne at the back for VANTRUE N5 Dashcam. Feel free to message me here at PRS because stock is boring. See you here, guys. Happy holidays. Bye!